Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Mom Tuition channel. Today we are discussing about UKG English question paper. First, this is 50 marks question paper. First, write cursive letter. This is capital letter cursive. Child have to write capital cursive letter D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Next one is small cursive letter F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Total is 10 marks. Next question is write vowels. Child have to write 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Total 5 marks. Next question is write he or she. Mother, she. Brother, he. Uncle, he. Grandmother, she. Sister, she. Total 5 marks question. Next is use of a or an. Dash ant, an ant. Dash house, a house. Dash cat, a cat. Dash book, a book. Dash umbrella, an umbrella. Dash jeep, a jeep. Dash egg, an egg. Dash insect, an insect. Dash lamp, a lamp. Dash orange, an orange. This is 10 marks question. Next is write rhyming words. Fat, R-A-T, rat. M-A-T, mat. Next, pan, C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. Lad, S-A-D, sad. P-A-D, pad. Bag, T-A-G, tag. W-A-G, wag. Tap, L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. This is 5 marks question. Next is name the picture. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Star, S-T-A-R, star. House, H-O-U-S-E, house. Next is lock, L-O-C-K, lock. This is 5 marks question. Next, put correct letters and make words. M-G, R-G. We have to write common letter. Make 2 words. See, here M-U. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. Both letter child write here. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. Next, T-G, F-N. N. T-A-G, tag. F-A-N, fan. Tag, F-A-N, fan. Next, C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. can, man. Next, B-A-T, bat, R-A-T, rat. B-A-T, bat, R-A-T, rat. This is 4 marks question. Next, write opposite words. In, out. Hard, soft. Day, night. Come, go. Wet, dry. New, old. Totally 50 marks question. Thank you for watching.